Hello and welcome to our tutorial series. In this video you will learn how to manage your own smart menu on the venue management website. Remember that the features on this video can be used on the venue management app and we have a separate tutorial to show you how. Once you are logged into your venue account, click on the menu icon on the left panel. In this section, you will be able to manage all the items and settings in your menu. Here we already have a section created called Food with an item for showcase. Adding a category will always be the first step to start creating your menu. To create a new category, just click on the top right corner, Add Category. Let's create one named Drinks. Each category offers multiple options, as you can see on the right side. The small plus icon allows you to create a subcategory. Subcategories can help you better showcase your menu. Let's make one called Coffees. You can edit the name of your category or subcategories by clicking on the pencil icon next to them. You can delete a category or subcategory by clicking on the trash icon next to them. The gear icon gives you access to the custom options of that category. Here you can select the order types available for the items within this category. Your venue could be offering table order and pickup, but maybe this part of the menu is not available for collection. Then you can just modify it here. Maybe the menu items in this category are not available on certain days. You can pick them here, or perhaps they are only available on certain hours. So by clicking on the All Day button, you can then click and drag a specific time period. Finally, we have the processing time, a special feature that reflects in hours the amount of time that it will take the items to get ready. Let's say you have cakes that need to be ordered 24 hours in advance. Then you can simply put the hours here, and customers ordering within these 24 hours won't be able to do so and will be informed of the minimum processing time. Then click Save and you are done. Keep in mind that all settings affect the items within both the category and subcategories. Once a category has been created, you can move its position on the menu up and down. This allows you to organise what your customer will see first on the menu. Now let's create an item. Click on the plus icon on the right side of the screen in the desired category or subcategory. In this case, we are creating a coffee in the Coffees subcategory. Here, you can put all the information you would like to include on your menu item. First, we will pick the image for the item. Then type the name and the price, which as you can see are always mandatory fields. If needed, you could move the item to a category or subcategory within your menu. You could add any optional information such as calories, preparation time, description of the item, and the allergens. By clicking on Hide, you can hide an item from the menu on the customer side without the need to delete it from here. To finalise, click on Add and it's ready. You can edit or delete any item by using the items below. Our menu offers further customisations, so let's show you how to set up multiple options within one item by using our Caesar salad. Each item will have a button called Setup. This will allow you to create the different selections that one item might be offering. Maybe it's a dish where you need to add all the different extras and sides. It could be a full 3 courses set menu with all the choices, or simply a way to add a vegan option. The combinations are endless. Let's give our salad the option to add grilled chicken. Click on Setup and then on Add a Step. Here you can name the step. You can pick the number of items that can be selected within this step and the number of times that one specific item can be selected. These settings will allow you to create more complex selections. Click on the Add Step button and you are ready to include the options. Click on the plus icon to create the first option. Select the image you want to use, name it, include the price if there is one, and optionally the allergens. Remember, the price you set here will always be added to the base price of your item when a customer chooses the option in an order. Click on Add and your setup item is ready. You can edit the step by clicking on the gear icon or delete the step altogether on the trash icon. In the same way, if you hover over the item, you can edit it or delete it. You can keep adding further steps with the Add Steps button, or just close and go back to the menu item. Simply click on Update and you are done. Finally, you might have noticed the arrow icon on each item. If you click on it, it will automatically create a link for you to copy and share on any platform. It will bring your customers directly to that menu item to order. And that's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, drop us a comment or contact us on atlacarte.com. And don't forget to keep an eye on our social media accounts for news and updates.